Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a crucial component for owners of the DJI T20 agricultural drone, the Fly Battery Interface Board. This specific board is designed as a direct replacement part for the DJI T20, serving as the vital link between the drone's intelligent battery system and the aircraft itself. It's the piece of hardware that facilitates communication, power delivery, and monitoring of the sophisticated T20 batteries. When dealing with complex and high-performance equipment like the DJI T20, the quality of replacement parts is paramount. The information provided highlights that this is a high-quality product, which is exactly what you need for a critical component like the battery interface. Using substandard parts in a drone, especially one used for demanding tasks like agricultural spraying, can lead to unreliable performance or even system failures. Knowing this board is manufactured to high standards provides confidence in its durability and functionality. One interesting point mentioned is the possibility of replacing broken parts within the board itself. This suggests a degree of modularity or repairability, which is a positive sign. In the world of drone maintenance, being able to potentially repair a component rather than replacing the entire unit can be cost-effective, although the feasibility and availability of individual subcomponents would depend on the manufacturer. Still, the design intent allowing for this is a good indicator of thoughtful engineering. Now, let's address the installation. The information presents a bit of a nuance here. It mentions easy installation, but also states that calibrated products require professional installation. This isn't necessarily a contradiction, but rather highlights different aspects of the process. Physically swapping out the board might be designed to be relatively straightforward, perhaps a plug-and-play type of connection once the drone's housing is opened. However, the critical part is the calibration. The battery interface board is not just a simple connector. It's a sophisticated piece of electronics that needs to accurately communicate with the drone's flight controller and the smart batteries. This communication involves precise data transfer regarding battery health, charge level, temperature, and power output. Because this board is a calibrated product, it means it has been factory tuned to specific parameters. Integrating it correctly into the T20 system requires ensuring that this calibration is maintained and that the drone's system recognizes and interacts with the new board perfectly. This often involves specific software procedures or checks that are best performed by trained professionals who have the necessary tools and expertise. Attempting to install and calibrate this board without professional knowledge could lead to inaccurate battery readings, unreliable power management, or even prevent the drone from operating safely. Therefore, while the physical swap might seem easy, the essential calibration step absolutely requires professional handling to ensure the T20 operates reliably and safely after the replacement. It's not just about plugging it in. It's about integrating it seamlessly into a complex, calibrated system. This is why, despite any physical ease, professional installation for calibration is strongly recommended for this Fly Battery Interface Board for the DJI T20. It ensures the high quality of the product translates into reliable performance in the field.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.